Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical construction knee pads, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from construction knee pads, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best construction knee pads from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. NoCry Professional Construction Knee Pads. Introducing the NoCry Professional Construction Knee Pads, the ultimate solution for comfort and support during extended kneeling. Designed for adults, these black knee pads feature a lower lip that raises your ankle, providing added stability while reducing joint stress, perfect for construction workers, gardeners, and anyone tackling tough jobs on their knees. Experience unparalleled comfort with dual-layer gel and high-density foam padding, allowing you to work for hours without discomfort. The anti-slip T-pre cap enhances durability, while reinforced nylon threads and breathable 600D heavy-duty polyester ensure these knee pads can withstand demanding environments. With military-grade rivets, elastic straps, and slip buckles, you'll enjoy a secure fit that stays in place throughout your tasks. Plus, they come with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Don't compromise on comfort. Choose the NoCry Professional Construction Knee Pads for your next project. Number 2. Sellstrom UltraFlex Construction Knee Pads. Introducing the Sellstrom UltraFlex Construction Knee Pads. Designed for professionals who require top-notch protection and comfort while kneeling, crawling, or squatting. Featuring a super hard outer plastic shell, these knee pads ensure durability and safety in demanding work environments. The triple-layer, 3 by 4 inch thick, closed-cell foam padding provides exceptional cushioning, allowing you to stay comfortable during long hours of use. The soft elastic woven straps are strategically positioned above and below the knee, equipped with a speed clip for quick adjustments, making them suitable for both men and women. With a metal rivet hinge for flexible movement, these knee pads are perfect for various professional applications, including military, flooring, roofing, landscaping, and HVAC work. Plus, the non-marking grip strip ensures they won't damage any surfaces. For added convenience, they come with a mesh carry bag for easy transport. Upgrade your work gear with the Sellstrom UltraFlex Knee Pads to knee. Number 3. BALENNZ Professional Construction Knee Pads. Introducing the BALENNZ Professional Construction Knee Pads, the ultimate solution for keeping your knees safe and comfortable while you work. Designed with a heavy-duty thick poly shield, these gel knee pads protect against cuts and scrapes, allowing you to focus on your tasks for extended periods. Constructed with heavyweight nylon thread and breathable EVA foam, these knee pads are built to last while preventing sweat buildup to keep your knees cool and dry. Whether you're engaged in wood flooring, gardening, carpentry, welding, roofing, or cleaning, the soft gel core provides unparalleled comfort for indoor and outdoor use. Featuring double straps for a secure fit, these knee pads won't loosen or slip during use. The adjustable clips make putting them on and taking them off a breeze, while also allowing for height and tightness adjustments. A thoughtful gift for anyone in construction or home improvement, BALENNZ knee pads make working on the floor easier and more comfortable. Number 4. REXBETI Professional Construction Knee Pads. Introducing the REXBETI Professional Construction Knee Pads, designed to provide maximum comfort and protection for all your heavy-duty tasks. Crafted with an upgraded thick gel and high-density foam cushion, these knee pads feature a unique thigh support design that minimizes knee pressure during extended use. The heavy-duty PVC shell safeguards against sharp objects like stones, nails, and glass shards, making them perfect for gardening, cleaning, and construction work. With reinforced stitching and durable materials, these knee pads are built to last, ensuring long-term reliability. Equipped with 4 extra extension straps, each 7 inches long, these knee pads offer a customizable fit for most sizes and are quick to put on and take off, thanks to the easy-to-use adjustable straps. Elevate your work experience and protect your knees with the REXBETI Professional Construction Knee Pads, your ultimate partner in productivity. Number 5. CARIB Gear Pro Construction Knee Pads. Introducing the CARIB Gear Pro Construction Knee Pads, the ultimate solution for professionals who demand comfort and protection. This upgraded 2021 kit includes knee pads, leather gloves, and safety glasses, ensuring a comprehensive safety experience. Perfect for construction workers, carpenters, gardeners, and tactical personnel. These knee pads are designed to safeguard your knees and tendons from cuts and scrapes on rough surfaces. Featuring a foam-encased double gel core, these knee pads conform to your knees for all-day comfort, allowing for greater freedom of movement without sacrificing impact resistance. The slip-resistant design keeps you stable on any surface, while the included safety glasses offer fog and scratch resistance for optimal visibility outdoors. Complete your gear with durable leather gloves that provide excellent grip and abrasion resistance. With a 365-day satisfaction promise and a limited lifetime warranty, the CARIB Gear Pro knee pads are your go-to choice for safety and comfort on the job. Order yours today. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.